the Orion Nebula, a celestial wonder that has fascinated humanity for centuries. Even its name evokes a sense of wonder and curiosity, drawing stargazers to the night sky. It's a celestial masterpiece, easily visible to the naked eye as a fuzzy patch in the sword of the constellation Orion. This nebula is a gateway to the mysteries of the universe. This hunter of the night sky, easily recognizable by his belt of 3 stars, holds within his grasp a cosmic treasure. The belt is a guidepost, leading us to the wonders beyond. Finding Orion is the first step in this celestial journey. It's like a cosmic scavenger hunt. Look for his belt, those 3 bright stars in a row. They shine like beacons in the night sky, guiding your eyes to the next step. Then locate his sword, dangling below the belt. This sword is not just a simple line of stars, it holds the key to a magnificent sight. The Orion Nebula resides there, a hazy jewel amidst the stars. It's a sight that has inspired countless myths and stories. It's a beacon for stargazers, both novice and experienced. Whether you're using a telescope or just your eyes, the nebula is a rewarding find. The Orion Nebula is our closest large star-forming region, a mere 1,300 light-years away. This proximity makes it a prime target for study and observation. This proximity on a cosmic scale allows us to witness the awe-inspiring process of star birth in unprecedented detail. The nebula is a stellar nursery, where new stars are born and the mysteries of the universe unfold before our eyes. The Orion Nebula is more than just a beautiful sight. It's a stellar nursery. Within its swirling clouds of gas and dust, gravity pulls matter together. These clumps of matter, denser and denser, heat up as they collapse. This process, a cosmic ballet of compression and heat, eventually ignites nuclear fusion in the core of these collapsing clouds. And just like that, a star is born. The Orion Nebula is a vibrant tapestry of star formation. It's a glimpse into the universe's past, a reminder that our own sun likely formed in a similar cosmic cradle billions of years ago. At the heart of the Orion Nebula lies a secret: the trapezium cluster. This tight grouping of young hot stars is the engine that powers the nebula's glow. The trapezium cluster is a sight to behold, even with a small telescope. 4 brilliant stars, arranged in a trapezoidal shape, dominate the cluster. These stars, recently formed and incredibly luminous, emit intense ultraviolet radiation. This radiation ionizes the surrounding gas, causing it to glow with an ethereal light. The trapezium cluster is a testament to the power of young stars, shaping and illuminating their surroundings. Look closer, beyond the dazzling light of the trapezium cluster. This cluster, a jewel in the vast expanse of space, is more than just a collection of stars. Within the Orion Nebula, hidden within the swirling gas and dust, lie protostellar disks. These disks are the cradles of new stars and planets, where the raw materials of the universe come together. These disks, often called proplyds, are the birthplaces of planets. They are regions where gravity and time work their magic, transforming dust and gas into celestial bodies. Imagine a young star, still forming, surrounded by a disk of leftover material. This material, remnants of the star's birth, holds the potential to become planets, moons, and other celestial objects. Gravity pulls this material together, forming clumps and eventually planets. Over millions of years, these clumps grow, collide, and coalesce, shaping the architecture of a new planetary system. These proplyds offer a glimpse into the early stages of planetary system formation. They are windows into the past, showing us how our own solar system might have looked in its infancy. They are a reminder that our own solar system, with its planets and moons, likely arose from a similar disk billions of years ago. The processes we observe in these distant regions mirror the history of our cosmic neighborhood. The Orion Nebula, a cauldron of star birth, also holds the potential for countless new worlds. Each star and disk within it is a seed, a promise of future systems that may one day harbor life. Section 5. A cosmic canvas, colors of creation. The Orion Nebula is a feast for the eyes. Its colors, a vibrant tapestry of reds, blues, and greens, are not merely beautiful. They tell a story of creation and change. The reddish hues come from hydrogen gas, energized by the intense radiation of the trapezium cluster. This hydrogen, the most abundant element in the universe, glows with a characteristic red light when ionized. The blues and greens are produced by other elements such as oxygen and nitrogen. These elements, present in smaller amounts, emit light at different wavelengths, creating a stunning cosmic display. Section 6. Oxygen's glow, the green heart of Orion. One color in particular stands out in the Orion Nebula: green. This ethereal green glow emanating from the heart of the nebula is a signature of doubly ionized oxygen. Oxygen, when stripped of 2 electrons by the intense radiation of nearby stars, emits light in the green part of the spectrum. This green glow, a testament to the power of stellar radiation, is a hallmark of star-forming regions. It's a reminder that the universe is not a static, unchanging place. It's a dynamic, evolving canvas, constantly being reshaped by the forces of gravity, radiation, and time. Section 7. My first glimpse, a stargazer's tale. I remember my first glimpse of the Orion Nebula through a telescope. It was a moment that would forever change my perspective on the universe. It was a cold winter night, the air crisp and clear, the kind of night where every star seems to shine a little brighter, and the sky feels like a vast, endless ocean of twinkling lights. I pointed my small telescope towards the constellation Orion, towards that fuzzy patch in the sword. My hands trembled with excitement as I adjusted the focus, eager to see what lay beyond. And there it was, a swirling cloud of gas and dust, illuminated by the light of newborn stars. The Orion Nebula, a stellar nursery where new stars are born, came into view in all its glory. The trapezium cluster, a tight grouping of 4 bright stars, blazed at the center. These young stars, only a few million years old, shone brightly, lighting up the surrounding nebula. It was a moment of awe and wonder, a realization of the vastness and beauty of the universe. I felt a deep connection to the cosmos, as if I were a tiny part of something much greater. That night, I knew I was hooked. The stars had captured my heart, and I knew I would spend countless nights exploring the heavens. I had become a stargazer, forever enchanted by the mysteries of the night sky. Section 8. Patience, the stargazer's virtue. Stargazing, like any worthwhile pursuit, requires patience. It's not about instant gratification. It's about embracing the night, allowing your eyes to adjust to the darkness, and waiting for the universe to reveal its secrets. Some nights, the clouds may obscure your view. Other nights, the air may be turbulent, making the stars twinkle and dance. But don't give up. The rewards of stargazing are worth the wait. The universe is full of wonders, waiting to be discovered by those who are patient enough to look. Section 9. Tools of the trade: choosing your telescope. You don't need a powerful telescope to appreciate the Orion Nebula. Even a small telescope or a good pair of binoculars can reveal its beauty. When choosing a telescope, consider its aperture, the diameter of its main lens or mirror. A larger aperture gathers more light, allowing you to see fainter objects. But even a small telescope, properly used, can provide stunning views of the night sky. Don't be afraid to start small and work your way up. The most important thing is to get outside and start exploring. Section 10. Embracing the night, finding your observing spot. Finding a good observing spot is crucial for stargazing. Look for a location away from city lights where light pollution won't wash out the stars. State parks, national forests, and even your own backyard can be great places to stargaze. Once you've found a spot, give your eyes time to adjust to the darkness. Avoid using white light, which can ruin your night vision. Use a red flashlight instead, which preserves your ability to see faint objects. Section 11. A universe awaits. Go forth and explore. The Orion Nebula is just the beginning. The universe is vast and full of wonders, waiting to be discovered. So go forth and explore. Grab a telescope, find a dark sky location, and let the universe amaze you. Remember, the universe is a book, and those who do not observe only read the first page. The Orion Nebula, a celestial beacon, invites you to turn the page and begin your own cosmic journey.